Hello everyone. Today we are going to make card number 2 of the 3 that are in my Happy B-Day Mega Pack Graphics and Tutorial bundle that's in my Etsy shop. And this is a quick and easy card with a corner closure. And so you start out, and well, first of all, I've got my pieces all cut out, but exact measurements will be below the video. So, I mean, I will state them in the video, but they will also be down below. And a link to the listing of the Mega Bundle Pack will be below as well. Now, in the Mega Pack, it's got 47 decorative papers, all with different various cute bees and daisies, flowers, all kinds of stripes and polka dots and different colors that will go with your cards. I printed off, I should have showed you so here's 2, 3 that I've printed off that are in it, and you can see these cute bees, stripes, flowers. There's a whole bunch of others, and they all coordinate all the colors. There's blues and yellows and golds and greens and blacks, of course. So fun papers that you can use for these 3 card tutorials that are in the bundle, or any of your cards that you make regularly, or any of your paper crafting. Okay, let's get started. So for a beginner, to start, this is a piece of cardstock that measures 4 1/4 by 11 inches. So I had a full sheet, a full 8.5 by 11 sheet of cardstock. So I just cut it lengthwise down the middle, and you just need one. And then I scored it in half at 5.5 inches. All right, and then the next thing we are going to do is we are going to trim. So let's fold this. Okay, so here's the front of your card. So you're going to trim off 2 1/4 inches on this left side. And set this aside because this will go on top with the little topper image that you choose from the bundle. So here is the card so far. And you'll need a piece of 4-inch by 5 1/4 inch piece of, I'm using white, but you can use whatever color of contrasting or paper, that cardstock you want to use on the inside. And I'm using my Tombow liquid paper glue. This is the kind that I use most all the time. And so I'm just going to glue all around the edges there. And it should leave roughly about an 1/8 inch border all around. And just use press it down with your fingers, or use a paper towel or a napkin or something, just to press all the glue clear to the corners and all the edges. Okay, so here's your card so far. And then you'll need a piece of decorative paper of your choosing that measures 1 7/8 by 3 3/4 inches. And so you'll just glue this. And it should leave about a 1/8 of an inch border around that. So here's what we have so far. This piece will go on the front, so we'll glue that on. And like I said, this one is a really quick and easy card. But it's nice if you need one really fast and quick, you've forgotten somebody's birthday or something. This will make up fast. All my measurements, leave it so there's about an 1/8 inch border around your decorative papers. I just like that look. And it seems to be a pretty popular one. So here's what we have so far, and inside your card you'll have this room right here to write your sentiment. Now you'll take your 2 1/4 squared piece of cardstock, and then you'll cut it diagonally. And then with your decorative paper, you'll take 2 inch by 2 inch piece and cut it diagonally. And then we'll glue those together. My blade on my trimmer is getting a little not as sharp as it used to be, so it leaves some kind of fuzzies on the edge of my paper a little bit. I need to change blades. Just glue that right in the center there. And this will be your corner closure. So it's going to go in this very corner right here. So what you want to do is glue only this edge and the bottom edge. And so you're going to want to get a line of glue just as close to the edge as you can. And then you glue that right on the edge, line up those edges, and then press out from the center. Don't press in, because you don't want any excess glue that comes out, you want it to come out on your edges, not inside your pocket, because it'll plug your pocket. Okay. And then lastly, there's a whole bunch of toppers this size that you can choose from. I chose this one. Happy Bee Day with a cute little bee with a birthday cake. And this is the piece that you cut off right here. And it should just fit perfectly. And press that down real well. And then you're going to want to lay it, whoops, I'm going to glue that corner better. So you want to lay it somewhat in the center, but make sure the corner goes underneath this triangle corner flap, because that will be your card closure. So you're going to want to center it. I kind of just eyeball it. And so I'm just going to put glue on this half underneath. And there is your little card. And you could put a little phrase here, because the bundle comes with a lot of phrases that you could put here. It comes with little circle tags, so you could cut these out and put one here if you wanted, or just leave it like this. I think I'm just going to leave this one just like this. And so then you just tuck it in the little corner flap, and there's your card. Stick it in an envelope, and there you go. So that's it for this tutorial today. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I think it's adorable. And again, please check out my Etsy listing link below. And also, I'll have links to a few of the items that I use, that I buy from Amazon regularly. And if purchased from those links, I do earn a small commission. And please like, please share, and please subscribe to my channel. I'm working on some goals, and I'm only 25 followers away from getting to a certain goal that I'm working on. And thanks for watching. You have a happy day. Thank you.